To inspect and adjust the drive belt tension on your Indian Scout, Scout 60, or Scout Bobber, follow these steps. Park the bike on a flat level surface and allow it to cool completely. Lift the motorcycle according to your owner's manual guidelines and elevate the rear wheel. The motorcycle must be stable before proceeding. Ensure the motorcycle is in neutral. Inspect the drive belt for damage and wear. Refer to your owner's manual for belt wear analysis. If inspection reveals a need for replacement, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer. Next, check and record the belt deflection, applying 10 pounds of force. Ensure the belt is dry before measuring. Locking the tape measure will make it easier to maintain consistent measurements. Using the tire valve stem as a reference, measure at 3 additional points, 90 degrees apart, on the tire. If adjustment is needed, rotate the wheel counterclockwise and mark the tightest measurement point on the tire for reference. Also mark the current adjuster locations on both sides of the rear wheel for reference. Next, loosen but do not remove the axle nut. Then tighten the axle bolt to adjustment specification. Turn the left side adjuster nut to achieve proper belt tension. When the belt tension is correct, rotate the wheel backward to view belt alignment. If adjustment is necessary, use only the right side adjuster to minimize changes in belt tension. Be sure to keep the axle seated forward against the axle adjusters during this procedure. While rotating the wheel backward, tighten the right side adjuster nut until the drive belt is centered in the driven pulley. Sprocket teeth should be visible on both sides of the drive belt. Once the desired setting is achieved, rotate the wheel forward and verify the sprocket teeth are still visible on both sides of the drive belt. If necessary, revert back to the initial settings and repeat this process as needed. Recheck drive belt tension to verify it is still within specification. Improper tension or alignment can cause driveline noise and damage the drive belt. Tighten the rear axle bolt to final specification. Pump the rear brake pedal several times to reset brake pad distance. Verify that when the brake pedal is released, the wheel rotates smoothly and freely, without drag. Finish by safely lowering your motorcycle to the ground. Refer to your owner's manual for helpful hints and techniques. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.